Here's some surplus value trivia. Subscribe. Who introduced the concept of surplus value? Is it A. Friedrich Engels, B. David Ricardo, C. Adam Smith, or D. Karl Marx? The correct answer is D. Karl Marx. What is the counterpart to surplus value? Is it A. wages, B. investment, C. savings, or D. revenue? The correct answer is A. wages. What is the process of generating surplus value? Is it A. production, B. trade, C. distribution, or D. consumption? The correct answer is A. production. What captures the economic excess generated? Is it A. expense, B. profit, C. cost, or D. loss? The correct answer is B. profit. What term describes the difference in value? Is it A. amplitude, B. surplus, C. equilibrium, or D. deficit? The correct answer is B. surplus. What does surplus value measure in production? Is it A. total cost, B. consumer demand, C. value added, or D. labor efficiency? The correct answer is C. value added. What do labor theories of value focus on? Is it A. production costs, B. consumer preferences, C. supply chain logistics, or D. market demand? The correct answer is A. production costs. Which economic event highlighted surplus value issues? Is it A. the 1970s stagflation, B. the Great Depression, C. the Roaring '20s, or D. the 2008 crisis? The correct answer is B. the Great Depression. Under capitalism, what often happens to surplus value? Is it A. increased wages, B. redistribution of wealth, C. exploitation, or D. government investment? The correct answer is C. exploitation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.